Hello, my name is Adrian, and I am the founder of Respondro, and I'm going to show you how Respondro is going to completely revolutionize your current customer service setup. Respondro is an AI customer service automation tool for your Shopify store. So you connect your Shopify store to Respondro and your email provider too. And then when your customer is sending you an email, the Respondro will scan your customer's email, and then it will talk to Shopify and then make a response based on that. So if a customer has a shipping question like this, your email, the customer will send an email. The email got read by the system, Respondro system, and then it will go into Shopify, find the relevant information, and then make a response based on that. And if it is 90% sure that this is the correct answer, it will automatically send it to the customer without you even touching it. So the whole idea is to make this as automated as humanly possible. And this is how it works. You connect your store and you connect your inbox to Respondro, and then you put in the rulebook you have for the store, and we show you how to do that in the onboarding process. It will take 2-3 minutes max, and then when all that is connected, the Respondro will already start to work. This is the dashboard. This is where all the emails that needs human action lands, and this is connected to your review board. So I will show you the review board first, because then this will give a little bit more sense. Let's go to the review board, and this is where all the emails that is not automatically sent ends up in the old or review. And you can see here where the draft has already been made for the customer, and you can see here as well the timeline with the customer all is in one here. And what you basically have to do here is press send. And you can see here as well, this is another customer where you can see the AI has already made a response for that customer. And if you are happy with all the emails, you can do this. And then let's say you're ready to send these three, you can send the mark there, or press on send all, and then you will send all as well. So this is like a semi-automatic version of it, but it has already made the draft for you. And if you see here in auto, you can see the emails that has been automatically sent. And you always get a little summary of what the customer question was and how the AI responded. So you don't have to read through the whole timeline to understand what the whole email was about. And when, say, you go to review here again, and then you get some emails that needs review, they will always end up in the dashboard. And if we, for example, go over here, and then you click on one of the email cards that need human attention, you press on details, and then you will see this, and this is the short AI summary of what the customer wanted. And here you can see that it has agreed on a 15% partial refund for a delay. And all you need to do now is basically press on refund, if you agree with it, of course. And then you go here, and then you can press on 15%, 10%, or full refund if you want, custom amount. But for this, we put 15, and you can, if you add here a reason, this will show up in your Shopify timeline. So when you are in the Shopify order, when you cancel, the message here will come in the timeline when you scroll down in your Shopify order. And when I now press refund and notify customer, what happens now is the AI is making a response based on the action we just took. So it will probably make an email saying that we have refunded the 15%. So let's see what happened. And then I will go here, click on view ticket, and it will send me, and then we can go here. And then you can see here what happened. It has refunded this customer £5.95, 15%, and is processed by Shopify. And you can see here as well, it has made an email response based on that. You just clicked one button instead of writing all the emails, going into Shopify, refunding it there, going back to your email account. So it basically cuts down so much friction and going back and forth between two platforms. So everything happens inside of Respondro. You can see here now it's been refunded. Yeah, and that is also based on your store rules. And let's go over to that, because when you have completed the onboarding, you also upload your store rulebook, and that happens here, and that goes in here. So this is basically 3 different AI agents for you. You can look at them as 3 different persons basically that knows exactly these different things. So the customer service is always going to be on. This is the core function of the whole Respondro basically. So this is where your rulebook for the general questions and everything goes. So this is the main guy. So this is the shipping and logistic agent, and this will basically know everything about your store when it comes to the shipping and logistic. And then you get the product agent, and this will know all of your products basically. So if a customer has specific questions regarding your products, this agent will do the hard lifting. But when you turn all of them on, they all talk to each other, and basically your customer service agent just get a way smarter. So you basically make a super agent when you all have all of them 3 at the same time. But for now, you can have this one on, just this one, because this one will basically do everything you need. But if you have a lot of different products and you have a lot of questions regarding products, then you will probably put this one on as well. And then you can click on configure agent. And this is where your current rulebook is, and this is where you also update your current rulebook. So if you want to paste a whole new one, you can you do it here, or upload a PDF and do it there, and then it will save. And this is where I'll also put in the store policies, and when they are saved, they come up here. You can see here. So it basically knows more about your shipping, shipping times, shipping rules, and terms of service, privacy policy, everything basically. And if you have any rules you want to edit, say there is a specific case where for the next 2 weeks there will be delays or something, you can put it here, and then your rulebook will be updated with that. So say we get a lot of questions where our products are shipped from, we can put it here. We ship from the US. And then you can press on update agent. And then now it will update the rulebook. And then after a little while, it takes about 20 seconds, then it will be added into your current rulebook here. So you can see it here. I've done it a few times to test it out, and it works perfectly. And yeah, so this is basically how you teach your customer service agent to respond to your customers. So this is a very, very important step of the onboarding process, because if you don't have this in order, the Respondro won't function properly. And we have made a setup tutorial on how to do it in the onboarding process, so it takes you probably 2 minutes to do. And yeah, let's go in here. This is where you connect your Shopify store. Should be already done when you are logged in. This is where you pick your email forwarding. So if you have Google, Outlook, private email, whatever, you can connect it here. And this is also super important that works. And if it doesn't work, email us and we will fix it right away. And this is the settings, and this is the email and signature. So this will come on every single email that is sent. This is the sidebar logo. This is for this one. This is if you want dark mode or light mode. And this is where the magic happens basically. So this is where you let the AI do automatic things. So for this one, auto reply, if you have this one on, the emails will automatically be responded to. So if it are 90% sure that this is the correct answer, it will automatically send it to the customer, so you don't have to click on any button or anything. And the auto refund, then the AI will refund the customer if it matches the current customer rule. So if you go to support agent and then you have specific rules on how you refund, you can put it there, and then the auto refund will know how to react on that. And then you got the auto address change. So say someone had placed an order and they put in the wrong address, it will automatically change the address for you. And the same with auto cancel. If someone is canceling and the order is unfulfilled and it also matches your current store rules, it will auto cancel. And we also recommend to have a 5-minute delay on the auto reply, because then if you get an automatic, if someone sent you an email and they get an automatically response right seconds after. It feels very robotic, and it also feels like there is just an instant response. So if you're putting those 5 minutes, it feels long enough for the customer to be wanting a reply, but short enough so they are actually happy with, like, okay, there's someone's working here, someone is replying, good, I feel taken care of. And you can also put if you have the auto refund on, you can put on the maximum you want to be able to auto refund. And if you have any questions regarding the product or service, please let me know in the comments below or send an email and I will answer them as quick as possible.